Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome guys to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Huawei P30 Lite, and this problem is display touch not working. Some touch working, some is not working. So I just hit up the back side and remove this cover, and I will change the display and check it's working or not working. Okay guys, now I have to hit up the back side and remove the cover, back cover. Be careful, remove this. Guys, now remove this all screw and remove the battery. So under battery have this display cable. So remove this all the screw here. First you have to disconnect the battery connection, and here is the display connection, and I have a new display. Check up first. Now check the display. Now it's working all the touch. See guys, phone is working. So the other is display problem. This corner is not working. So now I will open and replace the display. First I have to turn off the mobile. And reconnect the battery. Disconnect battery and disconnect this display. So now I will remove the battery. So how can you change the battery guys? You have to remove this and open by this side. See how to open the battery, and open it from this side. This way have to remove battery, and here is the display connection. Remove it, and now hit up this display and remove from here. Okay guys, now I have to hit up the display, and now I will open display. Okay guys, let's see. Here is the display. So just remove this way. See, here is the something inside the display. I think it's coffee or some water. Here's the steel for microphone, for a speaker. To clean this. Okay guys, now I will use the glue to hold the side and put a display. So guys, here is my new display, and put this in position. And now I connect this with port, and now I return back the battery. Now I connect the battery. So now I connect fingerprint. And guys, now I return back this plastic. Now I return screw. The small screw here in the steel, and big screw there, the black side on a small screw, the silver color here. Guys, almost done. If you want, you can use some glue here. And return back this back cover. This almost done, so I use some rubber like this. And keep it for 30 minutes or 1 hour. After you can use. So guys, this is done. So this way you can change the battery, change the display. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. This is Huawei P30 Lite, and press the bell icon.